All right, what's going on, everyone? Josh Quiones here. So the Google Pixel 8a has made its way here into the office. Huge thanks and shout out to Google's Team Pixel for going ahead and sending this out for us to take a look at here on the channel. As you can see, I do have the porcelain colored Google Pixel 8a right here. It's also available in an Olay color, which is kind of like a minty green color. We got bay, which is like a light blue, and we got obsidian as well. Now there are two models. We got a 128 gigabyte model with 8 gigabytes of RAM, which is the one I have right here. And then we have a 256 gigabyte model, again with 8 gigabytes of RAM, but that model is only available in the obsidian color. So if you want more storage, you're only stuck with one color. So I thought I'd go ahead and just mention that this phone is starting out at around 500 bucks. I'm ready to get this unboxed, give you guys my first impressions. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're not missing out on any other future videos. But let's go ahead and get this unboxed and see what it's about. All right, now a few other things to mention about the Google Pixel 8a right here is that it is running that Google Tensor G3 chip that we also see in the Google Pixel 8 and the 8 Pro. We also are getting that Google AI in the Pixel 8a right here as well, which is going to be nice. 7 years of feature drops and security updates. We're gonna have a 120 hertz smooth display on this device, a dual rear camera, as you can see right here, with a wide and ultra wide angle lens, a 4,492 milliamp battery. It's gonna be IP67 water and dust resistant. And like I said, going for around 500 bucks starting out and coming in those four colors: Olay, Bay, Obsidian, and Porcelain. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. We got two pull tabs here in the back. There we go. All right, let's see it. Let's see it. Boom. Oh my goodness, this is nice. I have never seen the porcelain color in person because I believe this color is also available for the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro, I believe. Look at that. Oh my goodness, beautiful. And the back of it has like that frosted finish, really soft to the touch. Looks like we get a sticker. Okay, it goes all the way around. All right, here we go. Let's do this. Let's pull it up. Everybody's favorite part. Woo! All right, look at that display right there. Looking good. Looks like we got a bit of bezel all the way around. It is a flat display, as you can see there. Got that front-facing selfie camera. Looking down at the bottom, looks like we get that USB Type-C charging port with the speakers. Over here to the left, looks like that's where the SIM card is going to go. Microphone up here. Volume buttons right here on the bottom, and the power button. Let's see if it's got any juice. Let's see, 3, 2, 1. My count was off. Has it got juice? It might not have any juice. I don't know. All right, here we go. I felt it vibrate. There we go. And then, of course, we get those dual cameras in the back with the flash. A nice matte finish on that camera bar. This is actually looking really nice. Really liking this porcelain color right here. I'm gonna go ahead and set that to the side while that boots up. Other things that come in the box, you know, it's nothing we haven't seen before. USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable. We get the adapter right here. Let's see what comes over here. The SIM ejector tool, user manual here in this box, and that is it. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this boot up, set it up, put my information in here, maybe download a few apps so we can, you know, check out that 120 hertz display. Look at that. Welcome to your Pixel. Let's get started. My goodness, this color is absolutely beautiful. And then we have these rounded edges on the top and the bottom, making it feel really good in the hands. It's actually feeling really comfortable to hold. It's not too heavy. It's nice and light. Look at that. Feels really good in the hands. Just really loving this color here in the back and that nice matte finish to the camera bar back there. But I'm gonna go ahead and set it up and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm all set up and ready to go here, as you can see, at least for the most part. Like I said, this was just going to be an unboxing and first impressions. And I will say that it is a little on the small side. This is a 6.1 inch display. I do prefer a little bit of a bigger display. Like, you know, with my OnePlus 12 right here, you can see the size difference between both of these devices right here. But it does feel nice in the hand, and it is going to definitely make, you know, one-handed usage a lot easier. Now, I will say, when setting up this phone right here, typing in my information and all that good stuff, the haptics on this device feel so good. It is so satisfying, just those little vibrations that you feel when typing on this device right here. So the Pixel 8a definitely has some great haptic feedback. Now, that 120 hertz is in play right now, and I can say that yes, it is definitely a smooth experience. Let's see, it's still loading up on the side over here. And it's probably hard to tell on camera because I am recording at 30 frames per second. Of course, you're not going to be able to see the 120, hertz display here on camera, but I can say that yes, this is a super smooth experience. And it reminds me honestly of my, Google Pixel 8 Pro. definitely a smooth experience. Now, when you first, boot up the device and sign in and all that good stuff, when you go into the settings, you are going to have to go into that display setting so you can be able to turn on that super smooth display. As you can see here, originally it was off just like this, but if you turn it on, automatically raises the refresh rate from 60 to 120 hertz for some content. And it also increases battery usage. Of course, I'm gonna have to be testing out my, battery life on this device, maybe do one of my all-day battery drain tests to see what battery life is really like on the Google Pixel 8a right here. But I mean, it is a beautiful looking display. I'll give it that. It does look nice. But like I said, we do get some, fairly thick bezels all the way around. So we're not really getting a full, screen experience. But honestly, I mean, it doesn't really bother me that much. But I thought I would go ahead and mention that. It does have some bezel all the way around the device. Of course, again, that front-facing camera. You know what, let me go ahead and do a quick selfie. All right, so I'm back, went ahead and took a few photos, and what can I say? I mean, this is a Pixel device, so you can expect to get that Pixel quality photo. So this is a selfie taken without portrait mode. And then I went ahead and took one with portrait mode, giving that, background a nice blur. Went ahead and took a picture with the rear facing camera of the box. I mean, we're getting some good quality there. Look at that. So it's actually pretty good. Going again, another shot with the rear camera right here. And then I took a selfie with the rear camera. And again, the quality is good in my opinion. At least, for the Pixel 8a right here, which is, of course, going to be a lower end model compared to the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, but we can still expect to get some, like I said, Pixel photos with this device right here. But overall, I mean, it seems like a promising device at a good price, around 500 bucks. Like I said earlier, of course, I'm going to have to test it out, start testing it out, and really see if this device is actually worth its price, or if you should pay just a little bit extra to get the Pixel 8, because it's really not that far away from the Pixel 8. But of course, again, I'm gonna have to start testing this out, and then I will have more videos coming here with the Google Pixel 8a. But so far, I mean, I think it's a nice device, small device. It's going to be good for someone who doesn't want a huge device in hand as well. If you want something that's going to be easy to use, one-handedly, or something that's going to fit better in your pockets, your bag, then hey, the Pixel 8a might be a good decision for you. Also, if you want to save a little bit more money. But if you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Let me know what y'all think about the Pixel 8a so far down in the comment sections below. If you have any questions, if there's anything that you want to see in a future video about this device right here, just let me know down in the comment section, and I will do my best to cover that in future videos. Thanks so much for watching. If you are not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're not missing out on any other future videos to come. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out when I do post a video. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.